Hey friends, if you wish to fix Realtek audio not working in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So here's the thing. The first solution is obviously to update the audio drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list for audio inputs and outputs. Right click on the first one and update drivers. Right click on the second one and update drivers, and similarly update all the audio drivers. The next solution is to run the audio troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters. Click on run corresponding to the audio troubleshooter. The next solution will be to disable audio enhancements. So right click on the system tray and select sound settings. Now scroll down and then you can select more sound settings. There are a few devices which have audio enhancements, so go to their properties and select this option for disable all enhancements. Click on apply and then on OK. And the last solution will be to restart the Windows audio service. So search for services in the Windows search bar and open services, and then you can scroll down to the Windows audio service, right click on it and then select restart. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.